What are we making? What do you have mixed in there?
Huh?
What did you mix in there?
This.
What is it?
We made this in here.
You put the sugar in already? And what else is in there?
Huh?
What's in there?
Sugar.
Sugar and bananas. All right, sugar and bananas because we are making, what are we making?
Chocolate milk.
Nope. We're making banana bread. You say banana bread? Okay. So banana bread is a quick one. So we mash the bananas, typically with a fork, and we don't mix it too much. And this is a 1 bowl banana bread. So you are just gonna get to put all the ingredients in. So you mash the bananas, then you add, well, not this, but we're doing our own thing. It all gets mixed together anyway. Flour, 1 3/4 cup flours. He already put in the 1/3 sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar. That is a 1/3 cup of neutral flavored oil. We're using sunflower oil. This is chocolate. Whoa, good job. That gets mixed in. The vanilla extract. How much vanilla extract? 1 teaspoon. Okay, you hold this, and I'll pour that. Put it over that. Nice and equal. Let's see. Okay, now we can mix a little. Add the flour, the sugar, the baking soda. Yep, a nice slow mix. Good. And once it looks like it's mixed pretty good, let me know.
Good.
It's good? Okay. I actually need half a teaspoon.
Not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember, bring it to 0. Whoa. Okay, that can go in. Oh, you can put it in here. Okay.
Oh, put it in here.
Yep. That goes in. Baking powder.
Baste it.
Okay, this one, you're gonna do 1. It's about 1. And then a pinch of salt. What's a pinch? Do you know what a pinch is? Yeah, like that, right? How do we do a pinch? Here, why don't we pour some in Mommy's hand? You pinch Mama's hand. Yep, and then just dash it in there. Ready? Like this. Dash. There you go. And that I'll just put in there. Flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, mix well. Don't overmix. Oh. Doesn't necessarily say to add the milk in here unless it's thick. So we add this to the right consistency. Oh. Okay, yeah, we'll add a little bit of that. We'll add a little bit of cinnamon.
Not here.
That's good. We'll do that and we'll see how that. Nope, not the whole thing. All right, try it. Go ahead and mix all that. Cinnamon, kind of at our leisure.
Ready.
And we should add chocolate chips. Okay, well, we're freelancing now. Noah's gone MIA. So we're going to need to use a spatula to fix that. All right, we're back. Don't put that in there. That's the extra salt. Okay, so you can pour some You can pour some chocolate chips in. I'm gonna spray our loaf pan, and I always use the Pam spray with the flour in it. Hi, Eli. It's just easier. Yep, there you go. Okay. Woo! Perfect. Okay. We'll get, oh, we need a spatula.
Let me help. Two.
I'm gonna use that. I just have to scrape the edges real quick so that we get all that flour off the edges and everything can mix together perfectly. Everything off the bottom.
With this dough.
This is a very easy recipe.
With this dough.
That will end up
I
going
have all
in
we
the sink.
need.
Yep, we have everything we need. We put everything in there.
This dough in the sink?
That'll go in the sink, yeah.
No.
No,
This is not in the sink.
that is everything. We'll pour this in our loaf pan and then we'll bake it. And that's that, huh? Want to try it?
No.
No, you don't want to try it. It's banana bread that we made. What do you think? Yummy?